Are you ready to elevate your cooking? The cookware you choose can make all the difference. Let's explore the best cookware sets of 2026 that cater to every home chef's needs. Why does your choice of cookware matter? It's the engine of your kitchen. The right pots and pans provide flavor, texture, and nutritional integrity to your meals. They ensure that your cooking translates into delicious results rather than frustrating mishaps. In 2026, several types of cookware reign supreme. Each type comes with its own benefits and drawbacks. Stainless steel offers durability and rust resistance but can lead to sticking if not properly greased. Non-stick pans make cleaning a breeze, but their coatings may wear out over time. Cast iron can last a lifetime and retains heat well, while enameled cast iron combines durability with aesthetic beauty. Copper cookware provides superior heat control but requires more maintenance. Consider which category suits you best. From stainless steel for searing to non-stick for delicate foods, there's something for everyone. The best cookware sets of 2026 include reputable brands like All-Clad, Le Creuset, and Greenpan. When choosing between sets or single pieces, think about your cooking style. All-in-one sets offer value and coherence. Meanwhile, curated pieces allow for more precise selections according to your specific needs. Don't forget care tips. To prolong your cookware's life, use gentle cleaning methods, avoid high heat with non-sticks, and carefully store them to prevent damage. Your cookware selection can change the cooking game. Invest wisely in tools that inspire culinary creativity and enhance your cooking experience in 2026. Want to cook like a pro? Choose the right gear and start cooking today.